Hello everyone, my name is Bani and today I am feeling very bad. Sometimes things happen in life that you never even imagine, never expect help from anyone because some people are help a little and then keep reminding you of it for the rest of your life. Not all relatives are good. The ones you think are the closest, maybe the first to speak badly about you. People often criticize you behind your back because they don't have the courage to say it to your face. When your time is bad, everyone get a chance to say something, but never let these things become your weakness. Some relatives are not truly yours, and some people around you want to say bring your down. So stay away from such peoples and never let them come between you and your careers. I am going through this situation myself, and I cannot explain how I feel. It hurts, but sometimes we cannot do much when life is going through a difficult phase. The day you become you successful, the same relatives will be the first to say, I always knew she would make it. So please stay away from such people. Focus on your goals and most importantly, keep yourself happy. Thank you for listening to me. Whatever you are going through right now, remember that difficult times do not last forever. Keep working on your dreams and take care of yourself. Thank you.